Hello dear students, so in this video we will discuss with some multiple choice questions on topic books of prime entry or original entry subject bookkeeping. Now before we start with multiple choice questions, let's revise first what is books of prime entry and the various books of prime entry. See, books of prime entry are also known as books of original entry or subsidiary books or journals. These are the books in which transactions are first recorded before they are posted to their respective ledgers. So that's why it is called as books of prime entry. The word journal comes from a French word which means daily records, and the process of recording transactions in a journal is called as a journalizing, and the entry made in it is called a journal entry. The data used to record these books is got from the source documents. So various source document from which the data is recorded in these books are invoice, like invoice is used for purchase day book and sales day book, purchase invoice for purchase day book, sales invoice for sales day book, then voucher, debit note, credit note, etc. Now various books of prime entry you can see on the screen. See the total 6 type of books of prime entry. Number 1 to 6, purchase day book. The other name of purchase day book is purchase journal. See student, before starting with the multiple choice questions, let's revise what are the books of prime entry and what is the meaning of books of prime entry, various books of prime entry. So it will be easy to solve MCQ. So the first one is purchase day book, purchase journal. Purchase day book is also called as purchase journal. See, it is a book of prime entry in which all goods bought on credit are first recorded before posting to the ledgers. It records the name of suppliers or creditors and the value of goods that have been bought on credit. Okay, so purchase day book records all credit purchase of goods. It records all credit purchase of goods. From the copies of purchase invoices, the buyer record the transactions in the purchase day book. Only credit purchase of goods, not a cash purchase of goods. Now the second one, sales day book. Sales day book, or the other name is sales journal. Sales journal. See, this is also referred to as sales journal, and it is a book of prime entry in which all goods sold on credit are first recorded before posting to ledgers. It records all the name of the buyers, means debtors, and the value of goods that have been sold on credit, and the total of sales journal is transferred to the credit side of the sales account at a specified period, usually might be once in the month, and the transactions posted to the sales journal are from the sales invoice. So here you have to remember that it records credit sale of goods. Then the third one is purchase return journal. Purchase return journal. See, if we are buying anything from the supplier and if we are not satisfied, when we are returning goods, so goods are going out. So this book is also known as return outward day book. This book is also known as return outward day book or purchase return journal. So it is a book in which goods returned to the suppliers are first recorded before posted to ledger. Okay, maybe reasons, whatever the reasons might be, goods sent are expired or goods sent are different from the sample order, or when the supplier transport goods to his customers and goods get damaged in the transit, or might be goods are sent in excess of what was ordered, so the excess goods may be returned. So whatever the reason might be, so the purchase return journal record all goods returned to suppliers. Then the next one, fourth one, return inward day book. See, if means when we sell goods to customers on credit and they are not satisfied, and sorry, when goods are sold to the customers, and if they are not satisfied, they are returning goods. So that entries are recorded into sales return journal. So when customers are returning goods, so goods are coming in the business, so it is also known as return inward day book. This is a book of original entry in which all goods returned by a customer to the business are first recorded before they are posted to ledgers. And when a customer returns goods to us, a credit note is issued to him. So it records all goods returned by a customers. Then the fifth one is cash book. The name only says everything about the book. Cash book. Cash book records all cash receipts and payments. It is a book of original entry because transactions are recorded in it for the first time from the source document. So cash book is also both a journal as well as ledger. It is also ledger in the sense that it is designed in the form of a cash account and record cash receipts on the debit side and cash payment on the credit side. See students, in this book only cash transactions are recorded. In this video, while seeing multiple choice questions, we will see MCQ for purchase day book, sales day book, purchase return, sales return and general journal. For the cash book, I will prepare a separate video. So the sixth one is general journal, or it is known as journal proper. General journal or journal proper. See, it records all other transactions which by their nature cannot be recorded in any other books of a prime entry. The journal is one of the books of prime entry in which all transactions which can't be recorded in any other books like purchase day book, sales day book, purchase return, sales return or cash book. So if any entry transactions have no place in that 5 books, so they are recorded in the general journal or known as journal proper. The word journal is a French word meaning a diary or a daily book which records day-to-day transactions. Journal is a French word meaning a diary or a daily book which record day-to-day transactions. So now which all other transactions which are there in journal proper? So this you can see on the screen. The journal perform the following function. The uses of journal. It helps to record purchase and sale of a non-current asset on credit, because for purchase day book, sales day book, we record the purchase and sale of a goods on credit. So for recording purchase and sale of non-current asset like furniture, machinery on credit, we record in journal proper. It records opening entries. These are entries needed to open a new set of books. All assets and liabilities. All assets and liabilities are recorded here. Assets have debit balance, liabilities get credit balance, and capital also shows a credit balance. So opening entries are recorded in general journal, closing entries are recorded in general journal, and to correct errors or to write off bad debts. So these are the uses of general journal. Now students, we will see all these multiple choice questions in the next video. So to avoid the length of video, so in this video we saw which are the various books of prime entry: purchase day book, sales day book, purchase return, sales return, cash book and journal proper. We saw which type of transactions comes in the various books. So now it will be easy to see all the multiple choice questions. So go through this video and then check the multiple choice question video. Okay, thank you students. Have a good day.